Hello, welcome to channel Maths Magic. Today we are going to discuss question based on arithmetic series. Do you remember we have discussed in first lecture of sequence and series the formula for the arithmetic series? I'll just remind you the formula again. Formula was Sn is equal to n by 2 2u1 plus n minus 1 times d. As usual, you know n over here is the nth term, u1 is the first term, and d is the common difference. We have one more formula for this, and the formula is n by 2 u1 plus un. u1 as usual first term and un over here is the last term. This formula is applicable when you know the exact value of first term of the sequence, and then you know the last term of the sequence and the number of terms included, so you can directly use the second formula. But usually you will find that the first formula will be more applicable. It depends on the question and it will be your choice which one suits you better. Now let's back to the question. Question says an arithmetic series has 7 terms. The first term is 5 and the last term is 53. Find the sum of the series. So let's write the given information. Question is saying that we have 7 terms. So it's given that n is equal to 7. And then it says first term is 5. So u1 over here is 5. And the last term is 53. So un is 53. And we have to find the sum of this series. So you can see over here we have first term, last term, and the number of terms. So I think you will prefer to use the second formula because everything over here is known. So let's use the second formula over here. Sn is equal to n by 2 u1 plus un. Okay, so n over here is 7 by 2, u1 is 5, and then it's 53. So we can simplify this further. 7 upon 2 times 53 plus 5, 58, and we can cancel this, it's 29, and then we can multiply 29 with 7, and that's going to be 203. You can cross check your answer if it's correct or not. Okay, now you will be thinking whether we can use the first formula or not. Obviously we can use the first formula for this, but you can see that common difference is not given in this question, so we need to figure out the common difference, then we can we can use the first formula also. So let's try whether we can use first formula to solve this, or if you want to use first formula, how can we use that formula exactly. But this is clear cut method, you can go with this. I'm telling you this additionally if you want to try, or if you will stuck in any situation, you can use that also. So now I'll use the second method or second formula to solve this question. So how will you proceed? As usual, okay, we have to keep all these information which we have. So now our target is to find the common difference, because common difference is not given. So how can we find the common difference? Do you remember the nth term formula of the arithmetic sequence? Un is equal to u1 plus n minus 1 times d. So we will use this formula over here. We have un is equal to 53. So let's write un is equal to 53. u1 is 5, and then n minus 1. So 7 minus 1 times d. Okay, so let's simplify this. It becomes 53 minus 5 is equal to 6 times d. So 13 minus 5 is 8, and it's a 48. So 6d is 48. So d is 48 divided by 6, which is 8. So we got d is equal to 8. Now we can use second formula. So let's use this, first formula, n by 2. So we have n as 7. So 7 by 2, 2u1. So u1 is 5. Then again 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1, and d we found 8 times 8, bracket close. Simplify this. 7 upon 2, then 2, 5, 10, and then 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 times 8 is 48, and then 48 plus 10 is 58. 58, and then times, we can cancel 2 with 58, it's 29, and again we got 29 times 7. So our answer is again 203. So you can check this. 7 9s are 63. So we got 3 over here, 6 carries, and 7 to 14, 14 6 2203. So it's correct answer. So you have seen both the formula. You can use whatever suits you better, and I'll suggest you to go with the easier one. But if you are stuck in any situation, you can use the first formula also. But if you have everything given, so you better prefer the second formula. Okay, hope it's clear now. If you still have any doubts, you can comment and let me know. I'll get back to you for sure. Thank you for watching.